subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe,
Yeah, the smallest idiot I ever saw.
He said small. You see how big I am now? Get this guy conks in his head, dog. Conks in his head. Yeah, this trip is too funny, bro.
Alright, wanna shave the whole thing off, alright?
Chill out. Oh, yeah, that's in dire need of a lineup, dog.
You're still gonna be ugly, bro.
I said ugly, that's crazy.
Sensory out here. That night number 3, this guy's talking bare nonsense in my ear, bro. Oh, bro.
This guy is
what the hell?
This guy is crazy.
Huh?
This guy crazy swing.
This guy's talking about Dragon Ball rude Defos. Is it Defos situation right now?
Tonight, bro. This guy crazy. Night 3 crazy.
He's never had no moment where he's crazy.
We had a moment, bro.
Serious. Watch this. Pussy all wake up, dog.